Hello everyone, welcome to another update. You are looking at the tomato seedlings and this is days 27. It's approximately 4 weeks later, right? So as you can see, I'm basically going to plant these out now in the growing area. I'm not going to keep them in the nursery any longer because I don't want them to get too tall, because as you can see, they are basically competing now for sunlight, so they tend to want to get some of them tend to want to get tall, right? So I'm going to get them out of the nursery and put them in the growing out here. So I have something here that I observed that I want to show you. Right here on the leaves, this is actually called Leafminer, and if you don't control it, they will really damage your leaf. And you know, once your leaf surface area is damaged, then that will reduce photosynthesis and ultimately the plant will not grow in a very vibrant and productive way. So I'll take care of this. So as you can see, it is not really consistent on the plants. It's just basically two leaves that I see the Leafminer on. That is that one there and this one here, right? So I'm going to knock those out in a bit. So guys, what I'm getting at is that I'm going to end the episodes here because the seedlings, they are getting, I don't want them to get too tall in the nursery, so I'm going to put them in the growing out here. I hope you enjoyed the journey, right? And I hope you learn something. I hope you can now go and set your own tomato seedlings or set your own tomato seeds, you know, and get these beautiful seedlings that you can now go and plant. And when you go and plant these, depending on the environment that you put them in, you know, these supposed to start bear within 3 months, right? But if you plant them if you plant them in outdoors within 3 months, I'm giving it for it to start bearing. And then I would say 2 months in a greenhouse for them to start bearing, right? Of course, as I said before, I really hope you learn something. And you know, I know a lot of us want to have or different type of plants, but you know, we might not have the knowledge of how to really set the seeds. So here you have it. You just just look at the previous episodes. It will show you from start to where they are now, and you can basically see step by step how to really set your seedlings, whatever type of seed, whether sweet pepper, tomato, broccoli, cauliflower, you know, any seed that you have that you want to plant, right? So again, I hope the episodes are beneficial to you, and if there are any questions, please just voice them in the comment box, right? And I will be sure to read and answer the questions to the best of my knowledge, right? So again, thank you for your time and your patience, and I'll see you again in another video, right? Please remember, subscribe to the channel. As I always say, knowledge is power.